A very good morning to all my dear students. I'm back again with your virtual classroom. Let's start it with a positive note. I really pray to God that we all come together again very soon. It is the second comprehension which I'll be doing today with you, and the title is Smell and Sound. So let me write here. The last time we have done the first a trip to the zoo, and today number B, that is smell and sound. Yeah. So children, if you were thinking that it is a science chapter, then you are totally wrong, because this is just a story. So let's start the class. It happened that in one evening, a poor farmer was returning back from his work, and he was on his way home. A very pleasant smell was coming from a sweet shop on the road. This made the farmer's mouth watered. He went to the shop and stood there for some time. Then the farmer turned to go from the sweet shop, as he could not afford to buy the sweets. At that very moment, he heard the shopkeeper saying in a commanding voice, "Stop! You cannot go away without making payment." "Payment? For what?" asked the poor farmer. "But I haven't eaten any of your sweets," said the farmer. "But you have enjoyed the smell of sweets, haven't you?" said the shopkeeper. "Smelling is as good as eating." So the shopkeeper asked the farmer for payment only because he smelled the sweets from his shop. The poor farmer looked very much worried. Now, in the meantime, a wise man was standing just near the sweet shop. The wise man noticed everything that was going on. He took the man aside. The wise man whispered and gave some advice to the farmer. The farmer's face got lighted up. He had got the idea then. He went up to the shopkeeper and jingled a few coins in his own pocket. The shopkeeper seemed pleased. He said, "Come, pay the money." The man said, "You asked me for money and I have paid it." The shopkeeper said, "No, you have not paid the money." The man said, "Haven't you heard the jingle of the coins? If smelling is as good as eating, hearing is as good as receiving." The farmer laughed, ha ha ha, and raised his head in pride and stood there for some time and walked away. So this was not only a storytelling class, but a comprehension passage. So in your worksheet, you will be getting question answers and an exercise where you will have to choose the correct answers from the given options. Today till this much only, children, and remain connected with us. Take care, build up your immunity and stay motivated. Bye bye. See you.